simply lift the upper portion of the buckle. The seatbelt is to be fastened whenever the seatbelt sign is illuminated. I'd like to draw your attention to the 6 emergency exit locations. There are 2 window exits located mid-cabin over the wings, 2 emergency door exits located in the forward cabin, and 2 emergency door exits located in the rear of the cabin. These exits are clearly marked. Take this time to note the exit nearest you and the location of all other exits. This aircraft is equipped with floor lighting that will come on automatically in the event of a power loss or emergency. The floor area will be illuminated and an exit indicated by an exit sign. In the unlikely event there is a change in cabin pressure, the panel located above your head will open automatically, releasing 4 oxygen masks. Remain seated, immediately pull the mask towards you to start the flow of oxygen. Place the mask firmly over your nose and mouth, securing it behind your head with the elastic strap. Pull the ends of the elastic strap to tighten. Breathe normally and do not remove the mask until instructed to do so by a flight attendant. Even though oxygen is flowing, the plastic bag may not inflate. Remind those guests travelling with children or with anyone who may require assistance that you should don your own mask prior to assisting others. Please ensure your seat back and tray table in the full upright and locked positions and adhere to the passenger information signs located in the console above your seat. Please sit back, relax while we do our best to give you a most enjoyable flight. If there's anything we can do to assist you or should you have any questions or concerns regarding this flight, please do not hesitate to let us know. Thank you for your attention. We'll do this one more time in French and be on our way.
seatbelts are securely fastened and refrain from moving about the cabin and use the washroom at this time. If the seatbelt sign should be turned off during your flight, we strongly recommend that you keep your seatbelt fastened while seated. If you wish to sleep during the flight, please fasten your seatbelt so it's visible to the flight attendants, as we do not want to disturb you. We'd like to remind you that smoking is not permitted on any of our flights. For your information, there are 2 washrooms on board this aircraft, one at the floor of the cabin and one at the back. Each washroom is equipped with a sensitive smoke detector. Tampering with a smoke detector is a federal offense. In a moment, we'll be activating our complimentary satellite TV for your viewing pleasure. Flight attendants will be coming through the cabin shortly with headsets or purchase, or feel free to use your own. Controls for satellite TV are located on your armrest. Due to the short duration of this flight, pay-per-view movies will not be available. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, it will shortly be landing at us. Can we ask you please to return to your seat now and securely fasten your seatbelt? Please ensure the table in front of you has been folded away. Your seat back should be upright with the armrest down. And once again, all hand baggage stowed securely beneath your seat, not obstructing the centre aisle or any of the emergency exits. We would also ask now that all the electronic equipment be switched off and properly and safely stowed for our landing. Headsets must be removed for our landing and our taxiing. One further reminder that mobile phones must not be switched on until the aircraft is on stand and the engines have been shut down.